So we spent hours getting materials, and this morning, so it's not really morning, it's almost noon. But that is kind of normal. It's not something that you should expect to be on the job, you know, immediately if you're a self-contained contractor. So we had to go get the materials, shop for the materials, find the materials where there's shortages of, and to catch you up, because my phone didn't stay up with me yesterday. So it went dead before we got to finish the day. But what we did, after we leveled up, is we installed this 3x3 window and that double 3x5 window. And she saw it and we talked yesterday afternoon, and she's very, very happy with it. She's already thinking about arrangements for where to put the furniture. Today, I'm gonna put electrical panel right here. It's not my ideal, but there's a tree over there, and there's a tree here. So that means the power in the ground coming to it will be a challenge, but we'll figure that out. But we're gonna put the panel here. She can hang a picture over it, something like that. So, but all the electrical will be going through here. Now there's some challenge to it because we don't know if she's gonna do yet, if she's gonna do a sliding door or a French door right here, but she wants lots of light. So this will be very lit up. But I'm going to do the electrical after I do a staircase along this wall, and it'll go up to here. 2 foot wide was her request. It's kind of narrow, but she's not a very wide woman. She's very nice, and she's not needing more than a 2 foot staircase. And that way she can get her refrigerator right here beside the staircase. Now, why would you want staircase up here when you're gonna bump your head as soon as you get up there? Well, guess what, guys? We're gonna raise this whole section from here to back up 3'6", and that will be her bedroom area. So this is a little different than your average portable building made into a home, but this is something that somebody can take notes for their own self and get it done. So that's what we're doing today. We're building the staircase to get up here and doing the electrical. So out here on the staircase, I bought three 12 foot long 2x12s. And I'm gonna do it the way that somebody who doesn't have any experience cutting staircases. I went and got a stair-step tread, 5-step stair-step tread, cost $26, and I can return it. I'm gonna use that for a pattern. And I've got a video on doing that, but I will do it here too. So I'm lining it up with the back and that corner, and then I'm marking it. And I'm doing that all the way down. So I just take this and slide it. Keep it back even. And then marking it again. And that's what I've already done. Now, to allow me to hang this out here without getting into this board, I just put a screw there. So that might be a little different if you haven't done it before. I brought it out past so I can cut this one here. And I'm gonna use a very inexpensive Ryobi saw, because that's what Home Depot had. It's got a Diablo blade. Okay, now it's not cut all the way through because I had to stop till I don't carry through the corner. I'm just going to take a Sawzall and cut all the corners out. And then I have this one made. I'm just going to lay it on another one and mark it out and then cut it. So there's no need for you guys to see every bit of it. So we won't show you both of them. We'll show you just one. Now I'm going to lay this one on top of that one and trace it out, cut it out. We'll see you when I get done.